How to change your Kapha filter cartridges. Items you'll need: an adjustable or 17mm spanner, the provided fitting fork tool, and a towel to catch any water. Understanding how the fittings work. To insert or remove tubing from a fitting, the blue locking clip must be removed first. When inserting tubing into a fitting, it is important to ensure at least 15mm of the tube is inserted. To disconnect tubing from a fitting, push in and hold down the collet ring against the fitting and pull on the tube. Only with the collet ring held in can the tube be removed. Now let's get to changing the cartridges. Step 1. Turn off the water supply to the filter at both the feed water valve and tank valve. Step 2. Place a towel beneath the system to absorb any water. This will protect the cabinet and prevent the activation of your leak detector. Step 3. Open and close the filtered water tap to release excess water and pressure. Step 4. Remove the pH Plus cartridge by first removing the locking clips. Then hold the collet ring against the fitting and pull the tube out. Do the same for the lower fitting. Pull the cartridge out of the holding bracket and place it in your sink to allow the water to drain out. Step 5. Remove the sediment and carbon filters by twisting each cartridge left to release. Step 6. Insert the new sediment and carbon filters. Remove the gray caps, and with the label facing left, push up and twist right to lock each cartridge in place. To replace the RO membrane, gently lift the system to detach it from the mounting screws and off the cabinet wall. Using the small end of the provided fork tool, remove the 3 connected fittings by inserting the tool between the fitting and the membrane and gently sliding the fitting off the stem. Rotate the membrane to access the lower fitting on the left side. Use the fork tool again to slide the fitting off the stem. Do the same for the fitting on the right side. Once all fittings are removed from the membrane, lift it out of the holding bracket. Replace it with your new RO membrane. Reconnect the fittings to the new membrane, making sure each is connected to the same positions shown in the video. Step 11. Remove the top and bottom fittings from your used pH Plus cartridge using a spanner. On your new pH Plus cartridge, remove the blue caps from both ends. Screw the fittings from your used pH Plus cartridge onto the new one, and tighten with a spanner, ensuring not to over-tighten. Place your new pH Plus cartridge into the holding bracket. Insert the bottom and top tubes firmly, ensuring they go in at least 1.5 centimeters. Slide the locking clip between the collet ring and fitting on both the top and bottom fitting. Restore the water supply to the system at the feed water valve and tank valve. Step 14. Turn on your filtered water faucet. Allow some time for the water to flow through the cartridges. It may take a couple of minutes and then the water will flow out of the faucet as a trickle. Step 15. After ensuring the system is producing water, turn off the filter faucet to allow the tank to fill up. To flush and prime the new cartridges, discard the first 2 tanks of water. If the tank is full, drain it immediately. If not, wait 30 minutes for it to fill. Open the faucet and drain the water until the flow reduces to a trickle, then repeat to dispose of 2 full tanks. The spare white cotton absorption disc is for your leak detector. Store it dry on your system's frame. If the detector activates during a cartridge change, replace the wet disc with this spare. Your cartridge change is now complete. If you need more help, please get in touch, we'd be happy to assist.